My nigga.
My nigga.
Yo, man.
Fuck, man.
You know, bro. I don't understand, man. Like, South Africans are beefing with us, man.
Like you.
I don't understand why.
What's all the beef about, man?
I don't get it, bro.
I don't understand. Like,
I mean, they want us to be from Africa.
that's not even a beef, man. No, it's a chicken. You can't say the beef.
I don't even think they have beef there, bro.
Beefing with Africans.
They want us to be Africans, man.
No,
I don't get it,
no,
bro.
I'm not an African.
Imagine.
I'm an American, you know.
They be saying, we came here because of slavery, blah blah. What the fuck, man?
Who cares?
Who cares?
I'm an American. No, I'm from New York. I was born in New
Bro,
York.
we from here, from New York.
I'm no African.
I know African.
I don't stay with zebras in the
Imagine,
cars,
bro.
man.
I don't stay with lions.
Fuck.
Never.
I never go to Africa.
You know.
You have to go to Africa, man.
Why, bro?
I think like they said there's someone who looks like
Count
you
me
there
out
in
there,
Congo
bro.
there.
Count me out there, bro.
What?
I can never. What do you mean? Imagine. Have you ever seen a South African president?
No,
Ramaphosa there.
I don't even know him. No, I believe no. If America is the best country all over the world.
If you can see that person, then you will know why I will never go to Africa.
I know our president. Our president is the most famous president all over the world. Man.
Africa is the most beautiful country
Nigga,
in the
what?
world, bro.
Nigga, what?
They be beefing with us for what?
What?
They're sleeping in the sharks there, man.
I believe they want to claim us, you know. Cause we're black, they think,
Bro,
we from
they
Africa,
killing us already, man.
This is America now. We're not going anywhere.
Bro, I know African.
No, African.
I know African,
That's
bro.
an African
I'm a
look like this.
motherfucking black American, nigga.
Shame, man.
South Africans
Don't
go
tell
to
me
hell,
that.
bro.
Don't tell me that.
They must go to hell, nigga.
Fuck
We don't want
Africans.
them here, bro.
Fuck Africans.
Fuck
South
Africans,
Africa.
man. Fuck
Nigga,
South
what?
Africa, bro.
Shit.
Even China too. What the fuck?
Fuck them all.
China are also beefing with us, man. They be telling people that we are selling Louis Vuitton high prices.
What's that has to do with them? Like, what the fuck?
Where do they enter, man? I don't
Okay,
care.
we saw those things. It's not us. We can. No, what?
You know, they always beefing with the moving. They always backing with a moving car, bro.
No, man, everyone is against USA. You know, I know that.
Nick.
I know. I grew up. Everyone like since back then, yes, everyone was against America.
You know what I'm saying, bro? I ain't going nowhere, bro. I'm a black American. I'll die here,
I'll
nigga.
die in America, man.
I ain't going nowhere, motherfucker.
You know what it is.
South Africa. They even argue, bro.
My dad was a pimp, you know.
Those-
It is what it is.
Those people, they're calling us blacks.
Yeah,
We ain't blacks, bro. No,
we're black.
they are black.
We're
We are
black.
brown.
No, we're black, but
Bro.
we're not Africans.
Bro, have you ever seen Africans? Those people are black. We are brown.
No, the
We
most
ain't black, nigga.
the most black people whom I know, those people from what's that country? What's that
They
country
from Ghana, South Africa, Nigeria. Those people are black people. We are brown. Yeah, we ain't black.
Why
nigga.
they call us black Americans,
Bro, like it's just a label, nigga.
Should we
We
brown
ain't black,
Americans?
bro. We are brown Americans, man.
Get you,
Africans are black.
Yeah, you know.
Those people are black like my shoes.
Get
Like
you.
like a toughest nigga. Have you ever seen a shoe, a school shoe?
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Those are Africans, bro.
Shame. Those
be
guys,
beefing with
those
us.
guys, they stay with hyenas in their rooms.
Imagine, bro.
Shit.
Crocodiles, they move inside their rooms, nigga.
What the
I'm
fuck?
telling you, they stay with the snakes there, bro.
Nigga, what?
Lions.
Nigga, what?
Lions eat people every day there, bro.
Nigga, what?
Nigga, what?
Shame, man. I'm not going, man.
I ain't going nowhere, bro.